Manje phela ngicabanga nathi asikakazi yini manje.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the biggest, baddest Tiger Boy in the end, and I'm here alone. And welcome to
034 issues.
Yes, I'm not but it's fine. It's fine. Except, we back again. Episode number 3, season 4. God does he push away, and this time I'm here with my boy. I'm here with a celebrity, a mainstream artist. Exactly. So I don't wanna I don't wanna take your shine. I wanna get guy who's so ban. So no in a bit way like just tell the people who are you.
Yeah, sanibona bafethu igama Ocean Drip inika la track elicolayo ushazulu hip hop ngila kwi 034
Issues. That's it. Except therefore that's where it comes the Shaka Zulu thing, but there's Kuluma and no poison. Shout out poison. It's in the camera. It's coming up with was like, so who's the real Shaka here? Between Ray no Ocean. That sounds like retarded. Between Ray Ocean and Ocean Drift. Cause no so you call yourself Shaka Zulu. And when who's the real Shaka Zulu? Mfuno nje kamera besikhuluma la ukuthi
uShaka Zulu nguShaka Zulu hip hop.
So the difference la was hip hop.
Game uShaka Zulu hip hop.
Oh, and apparently ubani Ray ushaya nje kuphela. Crazy man. Yeah man, I'm here alone namhlanje. It's a bit I don't have my my other half, my backup. Usually when not my backup, yes, not my backup, my co-host.
Yeah.
You feel me? Usually when shit goes south, I can rely on my nigga. But this time, I got the reins on my own. So I don't want it to be a professional interview. At the same time,
Yeah.
I want us to just like relax, so just enjoy, have a conversation, so. It's weird. Makoni come here. Like I talk with me, I don't know if you guys. Yeah, man. So yeah, ngizocala with the most boring question ever. Is who the fuck is Ocean Drift?
Kanjani ngichaza ukuthi
Ika is a poet. Ocean Drift ubani?
Ocean Drip usiyanqoba Dlamini.
It's fine. This one.
Wase tracked.
Yes, sir.
I-tracked ngikhulele khona. Yeah.
Danko Fesu. Danko.
Akuningi ngakusho.
Yes, sir. Oh, by the way, sorry to cut you off. But first, we are here Quadlem's franchise, right?
Yeah.
Quadlem franchise. Shout out to Quadlem's franchise. Section 3. Well, first, so pull up. This is what you can get.
Soda.
Yes, yes. Never Ocean Basket. It's called that. So yeah, man. You check nigga, man.
Yeah.
So we were talking about this thing, yeah. Yeah, 034. Usually, you want my base like where was it 034? Cool. So I look at to say like Newcastle per se, yeah, but
Yeah.
when I like you tricks, do you feel like it difference in your No, when I'm you tricks, you like with your own kind, and the mosing up, it's different. No, you still see the same thing. Was 034 in day one.
No, of course I do believe ukuthi 034 in day one. Kuyafika phela mangiza ngapha because angivamisile ukuba ngapha roundini yabo angiyazi ukuthi round enjani. So ngijwayele round yangakithi yabo.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So it's that thing. The difference is not there. When it comes to like the music side, what would you say like is the difference?
Angazi ukuthi ngayichaza kanjani kodwa nje ngizenzela into yami esayidini njengoba ngangiqali
Like
yeah,
you've worked with like Amachita, I see you tricks, right? No.
yeah,
And you've worked with Oliver Bangla,
yeah.
and it's just the same thing. There's no I'm actually a different sound. You want it's just like hardworking, bro.
Yeah, kuphuliwe nje bayasipana ngendlela engisipana ngayo. Ngithanda ukusipana nabantu abathanda ukusipana nami.
Yeah,
Yikho kukanjena akukho ukuthi ngizoyiphakamisa nani nani.
yeah,
Yeah, as long as kuyisipani nje esiwu-quality.
yeah.
Yeah.
How do you feel, Uzi? Some people might see you like from afar and probably like think Uzi. Lumchi Dalona is probably like, I don't know, Angenegi.
Ayikho
Angenegi.
Mina umshito wokugcina nje bese ongathi uyabhamba bani.
Yeah.
Ngabe ngipholile phela so
Well, yeah, to be fair,
yeah.
we've experienced that, ne? No, who's I echo that energy now. Because I'm not gonna lie. Khona le mpahla leyo ukuthi when amajita ubabona ku-social media mfethu yabo ubheka mfethu ungena ku-Facebook ubona uma-relay vele uthi yes la majita lawa kushuthi ayitshela yabo
Yeah.
yabo
Yeah.
wona ma-relay yabo sikhona lento leyo ukuthi when you see people online mfethu ubona a different side yabo. So I'm pretty sure some people, I'm not gonna lie now, when I started seeing you like ne, I was like, yo, Trizzy, this nigga, I wonder, was it like, is he even gonna like touch his phone? Mama, come on, yo. And then we started talking way back, ne.
Yeah.
Kade mfethu umele ufike la o-3-4 issues mfethu ulokhu ubhamba la mfethu.
Ngiyambona. Yeah.
But it's fine. Mfethu sekwenzekile mfethu. But nakhona angeke ngithi ububhaba because the nigga been working, dog. Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
I saw you. No, not I. We saw you. Like point of view, we spot seeing putting you on right now.
Yeah.
So I want to know that journey phase. Yeah, boy. Uzi. I know it started with you. Uhambise lapha clip. Ne.
Yeah.
How do you feel? Like, were you telling yourself ukuthi say ngobe manje ngishaya le video le ngizoyifaka put me on noma kanjani bazongifaka?
Asengikhuluma ivari into wonke umuntu wayesubmit ivideo yakhe ne.
Yeah.
Nami ngenza ngathi nami athi ngishaya ivideo nje yabo. Ngawu at least khona indlela engiphushe ngayo esukwini.
Yeah.
Ngangexpectanga lutho ukuthi kuzoyenza noma ngekwenzeka. As long as ngiyidlalile iphathi yami nje mina. Yeah.
So what happened? The emotions mfethu masuthola leyo nto lo uthi you actually part of this now.
It was crazy ngoba manje ngangabona my entries. I think there were like 4K people under our team Blakey.
Yeah.
Blakey was supposed to select only 15.
Yeah.
Kule 4K. So mhlawumbe ngasho ngaqala ukuthi serious. Sengibona ukuthi hawu mfethu sibayi 4000. Ungakhetha abantu abayi-15 nami ngikhona lana yabona ukuthi isanyanjani.
So nje like all of a sudden like there was no, because a lot of people now they would just like crack under pressure. Do you feel me?
Yeah.
Obviously, I wasn't expecting this thing is going to be this big and this will be moving this fast, you know? And all of a sudden, I'm there. Imagine I have to prove myself in front of them now. Well, some people would just like choke. So when I saw your video, the one that like got super viral, you didn't like it. I don't know if he gets scared or what. He didn't like have the nerves. It was like, that was just flowing. It was like we states of flow.
Wow.
So I don't know, man. You know that basically. That's so easy, basically.
$10 I feel $10
It's not a bad thing. Not a bad thing. Yeah.
I'm cold and okay.
For real. So like you believe in yourself that much.
I just believe in myself though.
Yeah.
I believe we sound there. I believe with Snare. Never Sunday abo. Ngibe artist ngini.
Yeah.
I believe ukuthi akushuthi kunezizathu.
Yeah.
Ngeke ngisibone imali kodwa ngihamba isikhathi ngizobona.
Yeah.
Noma ngeke understand ngokwenza nje umculo understand ukuthi why.
Yeah.
Kodwa ngisho akushuthi kuzobonela lapha phambili.
What happens is
What happened.
like vibes ngani into le uhamba ne vibe.
Yeah.
It's a good thing, man. And lento evele yakuvulela, I'm sure ivele yavula ama-opportunities amakhulu.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure ukuthi when that was happening, it was kind of crazy. Ukuthi yes. Now you have a following in Gaga. you have people now not only from EU tracks and only from Oterfo, you know, you have like people outside, yabo, and now like yo, but pushing trip, yabo.
Yeah.
So how did you handle that? That's I wouldn't say pressure, but like how did you handle that? Like, because everything was coming fast, yabo. How was it Google? Like, did you like see it as Uzi mailing are cool, or you were like, okay, nah, this is just part of the game, or how was it?
Ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi okushuthi ngoba ngila
Yeah.
shuthi ngimuva ngendlela e-right.
Mm-hmm.
Ngingafuni more kodwa ngathini vele ngenze nje kahle kodwa nginga-expect more.
Yeah.
Ngendlela engihamba ngayo, it's probably the way I'm supposed to be moving.
Yeah.
And just see what happens, dog. You
Oh,
just
yeah.
just keep in motion and focus.
So you don't have this thing, pre-planning and everything. We'll see. Yabo, like ube architecture, ukuthi okay, ngoba manje sekunje, yabo, I'm gonna go this direction. I'm gonna penetrate this market. I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, obvious kuyafika kuleyo point
Yeah.
usho ngoba sengila kungaba smart mangahamba ngale ndlela le.
Yeah.
Mawukuthi ngifuna ukuhamba kahle.
Yeah.
Hayi ukuthi ngifuna ukushesha ukufika.
Cool. Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuhamba kahle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like ngingayijahi process, ngithatha isikhathi sami.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good way of thinking about because you can't partially ukuthi ngobe usubona like usekuseni indawo ngobe wase ikhona lempahla le ukuthi mfethu ubona ngobe ayibo umnyango usuvulekile la ne
Yeah.
usuzongena ngenkani-ke manje ethi yabo and sometimes usothi uvulekile umnyango but awuvulanga konke ne
Yeah.
usuzofuna ukukhahlela wena umnyango uthi hey ngiyangena ngenkani lana yabo and wena mawusho ukuthi unjani uyayekela lento le ukuthi iyenzeke ngendlela yayo
Yeah.
yabo you don't force it and I think it has been working for you. I don't know what you say.
Yeah, ngingasho ukuthi ibingisebenzela.
Yeah.
Angisho ukuthi angisiboni isidingo sokushintsha.
Yeah.
Ngisho ukuthi kulento engibhilivela kuyo kwenzeka ngaleyo ndlela.
Yeah.
Yabo. Mangisho ukuthi angijahanga kuzohamba isikhathi ngivele lokho kumele kuvele.
Yeah.
Yeah, kodwa nami ngiyiphushe phela.
Yeah, obviously.
Uyakhathala as umuntu, ne?
Yeah, facts.
Yeah.
Yo, yabona, especially being independent is crazy, man.
It's insane, dog.
Ngoba independent, everything is on you.
Hey.
Yeah, akekho umuntu bethu ozothi yazini sokufayela le video ngasabi sikupromothele yabona ufuna ukushaya music video relax isizobe isigrade wena uvele ufike nje. So everything you have to hustle yabo. And I'm glad if you see it that way because I'm pretty sure some people in your position will probably see themselves will take say nah fuck that mina mfethu ngazupliki mina mfethu ubani yabo le nto le.
Hey.
And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, this nigga is humble as fuck.
Yeah, yeah.
Humble. Ay, man. Yo, I'm trying, but man, yeah, man. Talking about being humble, so tell me, Uzi, Kai, like, what was the reaction? Nah, because I'm sure your character and everything like comes from home, yeah, bro. So now, what was the reaction when like Mabona versus Haibu? Nah, kundodana manje useyakhuphuka ngempela manje ukhuphuka impela manje siqwele ngithi on the highest level manje.
Ekhaya was crazy, dog. Ngathi ngibatshela ukuthi vele mina ngumuntu odlalayo ne.
What you mean by that?
Like ngikusho nje izinto.
Oh, okay.
So
You lie. Basically you lie.
Yeah, basically. Kodwa manje mase ngisho into serious,
Yeah.
they didn't take it serious.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until beyibona.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when they saw it, they're like,
ila basho khona ukuthi imashile.
yeah, yami impela yo manje. Yami impela
Yeah.
they didn't have this thing because you know, as African parents, man, it's crazy. Khona lempahla le ukuthi ayibo Illuminati mostly. What was the reaction about it? There was nothing nerve-wracking with them.
Ekhona ngoba lempahla yathatha ngangibhala ama exam grade 11.
Yeah.
I think kwamele ngihambe ngakusasa akhona iphepha kumele ngilibhale.
Yes.
November.
Yeah.
So kwamele
Superstar things, ladies and gentlemen.
kwamele umuntu arisk yabo abone ukuthi ngihamba nakuphi ngiyaka kuphi.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ilokho kahle kahle okwaba wakhoza ifiction phakathi kwami nabo.
Oh, the education part type of
Yeah, ukuthi
okay,
ngenze
but
njani
yeah,
ngikhetha isikole noma ngiyaqhubeka.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, no. I feel you. I think it's we see that a lot in like black households, yeah,
Yeah.
but it's nice if hey, but first let's put it so as a good generation like so local says you're not
Kancane.
and sakubulala ukudla after so yeah yeah like bengisho ukuthi I'm glad ukuthi they kind of gave that support yabo ukuthi you know what go do your thing man
Yeah.
yabo. And tell me about the process of like meeting um ngowari askayile ne
Yeah.
meeting the homeboys you feel me like all flows peace and Vesu Kulu Reoshin yeah he's always behind the scenes kulama episodes. I don't know, probably this is his third episode behind the scenes. What's happening, Kulu, man? We should just sign you, man. So tell me about like meeting Amachita and having to work and having those like long ass sessions and about like say sleepless nights and things. We just I wanna focusing on like recording.
Yeah. Okay, ngabo ngasho ukuthi kwangisiza ukuthi ngibe humble mabethi bacela sisipane.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause ngathi sesisipana kwavele kwaba isipani nje.
Yeah.
Ngabona ukuthi yabo la kuyasipana ngoba nakho
Yeah.
asipana nje serious into eyenziwayo ngikhona ngingekho.
Yeah.
Iyahamba inqola yabo.
Yeah.
Ngiyafitha glad nokuthi nabo lo la.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's nice because yeah, your work ethic is everything. Omachita, ne?
Yeah.
And I'm sure khona lento le ukuthi bethu the people that you surround yourself with, yabo, ilapho kuzosho khona ukuthi uyaqhubeka uya phambili or like you be complacent and fall back, yabo.
Yeah.
And I'm sure like mawuzoba hey, because I've been in the studio with these niggas, so I know them cycles, yabo, ukuthi how passionate they are about the arts, yabo.
Yeah.
Shout out to Flows and Real Shit, by the way.
Shout out to
yabo.
Ray, shout out to Flows.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So,
ngiyaqoleni mangani bami.
yeah, we can eat, man. We trying.
Amasodla mangani.
We try- Kancane, so kancane, so but yeah, like yeah, you work ethic, and I'm pretty sure Uzi Uktana now, man, just gave you little sense of ukuba comfortable with oh, at least I know it's kind of much it's a span and now like
Yeah.
on like on the highest level, yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's one thing being a dope artist, yeah. But it's one thing being a dope artist surrounded by other dope artists.
Yeah.
Well, they help you grow.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah. So yeah, moving along from them, you've been co-signed. You've been co-signed by like big names in South Africa.
Yeah.
Been co-signed by Uban U Somnyama Blackie, ne? Co-signed by the Quellis, co-signed by the legendary Java. Yeah, when I was co-signed with Java, it's I pretty late. I feel that guy that nigga around that Java. I'm going with that nigga, ne? Never so Java knows talent, So you've been co-signed, ne? So you there like dropping a freestyle with him.
Yeah.
How is that whole experience, man? I'm pretty sure we'll see. Where were we? Where? Let's move.
Science.
Oh, yeah. Hey, man. So, where were we? Oh, hey. I was thinking So, we were talking about the cosign, man. Was it, there's people, yeah, from 034, yeah. Your reach is huge. So from 035, from 011, all these places, yeah, who are in like a position, see, they're upcoming artists, yeah, and they're seeing you like you're making your way up there, and getting like these huge guys respect you, and it's one thing ukubona umuntu ekwenza lokho, ne? It's one thing ukwenza wena, So I wanna know your perspective, ukuthi how does that whole process feel, ukuthi you finding yourself in the same room with these big guys, how is that? Like, are you in that mode? Ukuthi, yo, ngifuna ukuyiprove la. Or, oh, no, I'm also an artist now.
Yeah.
Yeah, or like, legal headspace yakho. Like, when you're in that room with these big guys.
Okay, manginabo,
Uh-huh.
ngiyabona ukuthi akufani sengiphushile,
Yeah.
kodwa kusashoda, ngifuna ngathi kukhulu okushodayo.
Mm.
Yeah.
What do you mean by that? Uthi, khulu kuta.
Yeah, sure, ngiyababona nginabo.
Yeah.
Into enkulu vele leyo mina ngiyibona.
Yeah.
Kodwa manje khona lesikhala lesi sokuthi as much as ngingakafiki la engifuna ukufika khona,
Yeah.
ngathi yonke into ayenzi sense.
Okay.
About.
Yeah.
Hayi ngoba ingenzi sense kodwa nje ufila kanjalo ukuthi ngathi yonke into ayenzi sense. Because nayi phambi kwami kodwa manje ayikenzi sense ngale ndlela
Yeah.
engifuna ukuyibona ngayo.
Would you say, Uthi, in that moment, you kind of like have imposter syndrome? I don't know if you've heard of that.
Yeah, not really.
Imposter syndrome is this thing, Uthi, when you're like good at what you do, ne? You can be mhlambe asithi ufundele ukuba uthisha, ne? And ufundile une-certificate yonke into ne-qualification. Bese ufakwe esikolweni-ke usifundisa manje. And then you see other teachers like bafundisa kanjani. And then bese ufeel wena ngathi, but shit, I'm not good enough. Yabona vele ufeel ngathi uyi-imposter.
Yeah, somehow.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So you kind of feel like that.
Yeah, most of the time I do.
Imposter syndrome. But then, yeah, well, a good thing about imposter syndrome, ukuthi it affects umuntu one. Because, when we're going to see you, we don't see that. Yeah, well, we don't see that. We don't have the notice. Ekhona abantu bethu like abangathi akumele abe kule room le. Yabo usay lo lona yini wasibani? Ukhona umuntu emaziyo lo. Uthi ngene room. Yabo connection lo. Connection lo. So but it doesn't give off that. It's like when I saw the thingy trending uthi Java cosines Ocean Drip. Yes, it's huge, nah. But at that moment, I wasn't like, shit, man, damn. I was like, you know what? This is kind of expected. Or when they like move on into the door, it shouldn't come as a shocker right now. It's like if you probably manage it, drop a tape, and then you have like the biggest mainstream artist. It shouldn't like come with so Ocean Drip, because your work completely speaks for yourself. You were not there on Facebook. Telling everybody that you're the best rapper. Yeah. You just did it.
Yeah.
Talking about being the best rapper, man. I let you down, boy. So about being the best rapper, first. Except, hey, first khona le ngajana first shares khona lapha ku Facebook first, ne? Wonke umuntu uyi-best rapper first, ne? Wonke umuntu uyi-best rapper first. Ure Ocean. So ngakhipha i-post manje ngiyi-best rapper bafika bamphikisa bathi hey mfethu wahle wena yabo fika omunye uVenom Rapper hayi yimi yabo.
Yeah.
And what is your thought process ngaleso sikhathi? Do you see yourself as that thing? You could say you the best rapper because I don't know, like umsebenzi usushelo, or like what do you feel about that whole conversation? Oh noma avoid.
Ngiya-avoid.
Avoid.
Ngiya-avoid.
Why avoid?
Ngishayile ngiyabani. Ngishayile.
So ma uzoyishayile, do you believe ukuthi hip hop as a competitive sport?
Yeah.
So you have to prove yourself all the time.
I feel like asikho isidingo sokuthi ngiyi-prove uma kukhona abangilalelayo.
Okay.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
And that's on some Drake level. Well, people listen to me, so I'm
Cha ngisho kanjalo. Ngiyahitha. Angifile ngathini?
Yeah.
Ongilalelayo uzolalela like umculo yabo futhi ezwe ukuthi kahle kahle yini le ngi-offerishayo yabo.
Oh, so basically you have okay, ngiziphiya lapha so basically uzama ukuthi you give yourself like space to grow.
Basically.
Oh yeah. Because ikhona lento ukuthi when people like they feel like they're the best, ne? Abasafundise. Yeah, Ray, ngoba usu-best now uyafundisa.
I take places where I can take places.
Yeah. Where you can.
Yeah.
Where you can.
I can't take classes everywhere.
Oh,
There is no lesson.
manje ngamzangu Ray, basically uthi
Yeah.
akanaleli nina.
Yeah.
And no, I'm joking. I don't want to.
Yes,
crazy.
lesson.
I want to create controversy, man. Yeah, man. So well, I'm sure. I'm sure. Also, when it was it's any cost or nothing for is we really like we have this competitive mentality, yeah. And I mean, I'm not gonna lie, as well. I'm not gonna act all innocent. I mean, I like it, man. I mean, I want this thing was like my favorite part of hip hop, yeah, because I believe it's competitive, yeah, it's like you shouldn't be with us, nah, if you believe if you don't believe what you good, you feel me? And you believe that you're good, nah,
Yeah.
you know that you're good, yeah, bro. So you're in the right place, yeah, bro. I don't know if AU Tracks is it the same energy,
It's been this bekungaqala kanjalo. Izinto engayiziba lezo.
yeah,
Yeah.
because you really like you take some shots and some niggas and that.
Kodwa ngimention
I
amagama.
mention you like
Yeah.
or Babaz as boy.
Mawuzwa amaline uhlabeka kusho ukuthi yakhe.
So I call us in the red. Call us in the red. Like,
Yeah.
but yeah, man. So ngobe sikhuluma ngama-beefs, ubani ongamuzwa wena uma egamini bese ungamlanda manje tshela khona ukuthi awumsabi. Yazani.
Yabonani?
Yazani. Ngifake lesi ekusebe siya wena bese. Kid.
Hayi baba.
What do you mean, I go?
Respect.
No. I'm joking, dog. I'm joking. I'm not trying to steal up anything, man. But hey, say, tell me about your musical like journey phase. Uzi, where did it start? Yeah, bro. And please don't lie. Uzi, yeah, ngibelesiwe ngaqala khona. Just tell me where did it start and in phase who were the influences, yeah, bro? When you started listening to music and we start by liking music, nah? Before we like rap. Yeah, well, we start by like liking certain music. So when your journey like iqale kanjani?
Like ngiqale ngize ngiwenze.
I see it before wenza uthanda uzofeel ukuthi you know what, I see myself doing it.
Ubhuti wami.
Yeah.
Ubhuti wami wayenza umculo kudala.
Okay.
Shime ngangibukela kuye. Angibona intswembu lento ayenza.
Yeah.
Yabo ngangihlezi ngifuna ukuthi ngifisa ukufana njengaye. Kodwa manje wangenzeki yabo.
Yeah.
Kodwa ngisho cha kusala uyanginspire.
Yo.
Noma ngalokho. Alright. Then it was grade 6.
Yeah.
Last umuntu aqhakho ngisho ama-desk iveleke.
Oh, you're cool.
Yeah. As long as urayimile, kukhona amabhazi awekho, as long as urayimile. Yeah. Ngase ngaqala ukurekhoda 2021.
Yeah.
Yeah, khona uLow Park. Nje
Lupac, yeah. I know Lupac.
Low Park.
Shout out Lupac.
Yeah.
Who
Low
part
Park.
of E? What's the MPO? Yeah, man. Dope niggas. Yeah.
Ngamaza 2021.
Yeah.
What's yena khona i-mic. Asafuna ukurecord. Ngathi record.
Yeah.
Awangirecordisa. Bethi inswempu. Kwaqala lapho.
So that journey it started there from inspiration from your brother.
Yeah.
Why should hip hop?
Yeah, wayishaya hip hop.
Like you.
Kodwa manje ngasi umaskane.
What's a maskandi?
Ngathini?
Why should you don't kumulu mashapu?
Maskandi trap nto.
Yeah, namkumulu mashapu. Maji Ray. Namkumulu mashapu.
Yes, sir.
What was that genre?
Kakana peke.
What was that genre first? Was it
It was Maskandi something.
hip hop, no?
Maskandi.
Trap maskandi. For basic was that.
Yeah.
So why didn't you like follow that direction?
Ukuthi manje ngangizwe into zami kodwa the reason ngathi ngirapha ngesiZulu ingoba
Okay.
ngangizwe lapha.
Yeah.
Ngabona ngathi kuntswephu mayisho ngesiZulu sizwe sonke.
Okay.
Yeah, ngasho nami ukuthi ngathi ngifuna nje ukushaya ngesiZulu.
Oh, so you took some inspiration from them, but the sound was yours.
The sound, I don't know about the sound. Though. I don't even know my sound.
Yeah, well, it's your sound.
Exactly that.
Yeah, it's just
I
that
don't even know
thing.
my sound.
Yeah, it's your sound. It's like you unique.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not trying ngisho lo ngoba la phambi kwami but ukuba podcast I was like, awusho nje ngoba vele phela unango phambi kwakhe. Nah, you have your sound. Like you like. I've never listened to Ocean Drip and was like, oh, you know what? This sounds like Span Ban. Yeah, bo. Oh,
Yeah.
Ban Man. So I appreciate that. Sure, a lot of people. That's why they kind of like gravitate to your music, because it doesn't sound like anything else.
Yeah.
You feel me? It's trap,
Yeah.
but it's Zulu trap. Yeah.
Yeah.
We just know it's an emotion trap. It's give a neck in you can't say rap. So it's one of those things, man. So right now, okay, no, it's not right now only. I feel like okay, no, I think you already said it was your brother who was inspiration, man.
Yeah.
Who's your inspiration, like an artist that you kind of like look up to?
Ngisho oyi-one noma ngisho
No, yeah, just go crazy.
uBlakey,
Yeah.
uLucas Raps,
Oh, Lucas,
noLupe.
Loki.
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's a dope list. Flaky, Lucas and Loki, and it's like, okay, now it makes sense. You know what I think? It makes sense because Loki is the Venek guy over there, but
Lucas
it's
Raps,
trap.
your rapper.
Yeah, Lucas
Blake,
rapper,
Lord, the
Flaky is the
sound,
sound. Yeah, fine, man. Shit, that. Oh man, he's like, I'm not going to see the time.
Yeah.
So, you got to meet Tupac.
Yeah.
Was he your inspiration before you met him?
Before I met him,
Yeah.
umuntu nje vele ungi-inspire reach out ukuthi ngenze umculo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then now you're in a position which is like, oh, out of these 4,000 people, 15 yam and the Ocean Drip lah.
Yeah.
How is that feeling, dog?
It feels kodwa
Yeah.
manje ukuthi you get confused when it feels the way you felt, yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because like when I was there, I was like, there's no way
Yeah.
angeke angikhethe.
Oh, yeah. You had.
I'm not saying I'm comparing myself to him, kodwa it came to a point where I was like, yabo, uma ukuthi uyazazi yena,
Yeah.
there's no way angeke angikhethe,
Yeah.
yabo.
Yeah.
Because like izinto ey'ningi azenzayo izinto engangifuna ukuzenza nami before ngifuna ukuthi yihluke.
Yeah.
Yeah. Izinto ey'ningi, yeah, i-sound yakhe nje like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have that confidence in yourself because you're like, you know what? I'm also an artist and he's gonna hear the art in me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah, ngidabukele.
ngeke.
Ngidabukele ukuthi hayi yazi it's fine intwana yami.
Yeah.
So I like that, man. It's there was this video of yours and le trend. You see sound of TikTok, man. You know that TikTok sound? No, the
If you just play them, you can say
yeah, it's
you can say
what Ocean, yeah, you can say what okay, who's representing so you can say what but dog, and that sound like every day I pop up in my I saw some nigga. You know it's crazy, man. I'm not saying with now everyone you have to know everyone, yeah.
Yeah.
But if you're gonna say when you're part of this game, there's some who invest like, oh, I saw a rapper from Newcastle who says he's tapped dead. Watching that video, and was like, well, who is this guy? And someone was like, oh, come on, Ocean Drip. Wait, who's Ocean Drip? I'm like, damn, bro, like, what you mean?
Yeah, good.
What you mean, dog? Yo, but yeah, well, would you say you met your idol?
Yeah.
You know the phrase about never meet your idols.
Nah, why?
No, some people about reality never meet your idols. You're gonna get disappointed. So when you met your idol, you were never disappointed.
Okay, kuyahluka phela ne.
Yeah.
Angeke ngithi ngabe disappointed, ngeke ngisho akaze ngibe disappointed.
Okay.
Yabo kodwa sase ngasho ukuthi kumele ngabe akaze ngaba disappointed because manje mawubuka idol yakho nofila ngathi hawu lo muntu uyangi-inspire-risha and uyabona ukuthi uyangi-inspire-risha and manje why ngenze something because manje uyabona ukuthi yabo but at the same time then you remember ukuthi it doesn't owe you anything.
Yeah, facts.
First of all, it doesn't owe you anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's that thing.
It's a thing.
You know the quote that's idols turn into rivals.
What do you mean by that?
You know that you could find yourself in that position. Not rival in a bad way.
Yeah.
Like what's he like he Ocean Drip will be a household name having to like it's like how Smart Money was. Yeah, well, Smart Money blew up, nah. And obviously he was idolizing these guys, nah.
Yeah.
And now he's like shit right here with these niggas there, or like
Yeah.
numbers wise competing with them and stuff.
Yeah.
And I think that's where we should prosper to be. You feel me?
Yeah.
Because a problem is some people they call themselves artists, né? But
Mm.
when they see a mainstream artist, then they fan out. You know, like they fan out, so they forget themselves. Uthi, hi bo, dog, nami ngiyi-artist. Yabo.
Yeah.
Lo mjida manje uzongirespecta. You remember Poison or when you met Uban, Umizo Alex, yabo. It was that thing ukuthi shy boy, ungasabi. It was that thing ukuthi he didn't like, I don't know, Gabriela you or like you were fanning out. He respected you as well as an artist, yabo. So it's that thing ukuthi I'm pretty sure ukuthi Blackie sees you as an artist.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
not one of those niggas that want to take pictures with me every time. Yeah, boy. So I'm like, yeah, I think it's a good mentality that you have, yeah, boy. And knowing you, my crazy thing was we've known each other for a couple of hours, yeah, boy.
Yeah.
But I think your character, and I'm not gonna lie, you shocked me, I'm saying. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You shocked me so much because it's this thing, we'll see. I-character mfethu yomuntu mawuzoyibuka from afar. Yabo, it's different than like having a conversation with that person.
Yeah,
Like, see,
about.
oh man, this is why Base said don't judge a book by its cover. You see,
Exactly.
yeah, I should be judge.
Ukuthi,
Ah, I
why
know.
not?
Bengikhuluma kabi. So no, it's like that, man. I've been I'm gonna say it anyway. I've been a fan of your work, Yabo, for a minute, Yabo.
Yeah.
From the time when I'm a very patriotic person, Yabo. Obviously, when it's from 034, I support it. Ngaphandle maku France, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm so ngibuka nje dog.
Vele kodwa.
Anyway, yeah, Sersky, yeah, man. I think we should. I think we had a good conversation. I don't know what you think.
Yeah.
Nama borile boy. Nama.
Bora.
Yeah, man. Umthe vele bengafuni ukufika lana nothenga imbamba. Mafanya sikelele, uthi khona ushini. Hayi. But so let's tell the people what's coming. Because I know there's music coming.
Obviously there is new music coming.
Yeah.
But then I'm dropping on the ingak namhlanje. Wow.
E3. Well, izophuma
4, 5, 6.
E4. Yes.
Ingak.
Yeah.
Ingak.
Yeah,
Ngolesihlanu bafethu. Ngibone nje nani lapho.
Mhlambe siphumile futhi sazi.
Mhlawumbe siphumile i-freestyle, my brother freestyle.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So that's what's coming right now.
Right now.
Yeah. What are we getting any shares for anything?
Not
Any new
anytime
projects?
soon. Not anytime soon because I'm working on the visuals now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So far I've done like abeze.
Yeah.
Yeah. Iningoma zo-13. Nawe singizenza zonke kodwa nje I wanted to balance.
Oh okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good shit, boy. Good shit. Yeah, man. Tell people who's about to feel so you have socials, you have followers and stuff. Yeah.
And then so like TikTok bafethu Ocean Drip _SA, Instagram Ocean Drip _SA. Anginawo Twitter bafethu. Angazi
Kodwa trend.
nakhona nje ngikuyithola nje kodwa nje angikho khona.
Alright, Iris.
Yeah, bafethu na Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's Ocean Drip, but first, Tina, yo, as I'm terrible at something, man. And this is your pair episode. You want to subscribe? Yeah, coach, but yeah, people subscribe, man. Subscribe. If we fan your Ocean Drip, who's a subscriber. If you're a subscriber, see only fan your Ocean Drip. And we everywhere. We on TikTok, we're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're on Threads. 034, not Ocean, 034 Issues podcast. Yeah, we everywhere, but first, and it's been a nice thing. First, remind me,
Quad them franchise.
franchise. Except, dog, you wanna show yourself, dog?
Yo.
Yeah, man.
Everybody, come visit God Them franchise. Section 3. Nizodla, fish and chips.
Yes, sir.
You know, get us here, man. Got pick up with this Bali.
Yeah,
3,
sure.
yeah. You know, man. You know the
Good,
deal. Let's go. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Good. Shout out.
good.
And in fact, yazi ubona ngani ukuthi the shit was good, ne? Ngoba impela lokudla kusekho.
Oh, number 3 guys.
Konke boy. Hey, I don't know, but it's been a good episode, people. Catch you on the next one. Yeah.